What's up, YouTube? Today we're reviewing the Pipita. The Pipita lighter. Comes in this nice looking box. This is one of my first lighters. Comes with this adjustment tool, some instructions, and the lighter. It's got some scratches on it. I've used this quite a lot. It's got a gauge to see how much butane's left. Speaking of which, I need to fill it up. Nice black color with a punch tool here, a flame adjuster, and the hole to insert the butane gas. It has a metal mesh on both sides to help cool the cigar down. All right. What I like about this lighter, it looks good, it feels heavy, solid. It's got a hole punch. I like the fact that you can click the button and it lights up straight away. You can just do two-step, click lightly, press again. But I like the fact that you don't have to touch the lid, so just... It's a 3-jet lighter. It's very affordable. Looks good. Very reliable lighter. I've had this for a very long time. Feels like it's metallic. It's got some weight to it. Doesn't feel cheap. It's pocket size. Feels premium. The only thing I don't like, to adjust the flame, you need to use this tool. So if you don't have the tool with you, you can't adjust the flame. So let's try adjusting the flame. Let's go down. Let's see. All the way down. Too low. Let's turn it up. Quarter turn. It spits a little bit. Do another quarter turn. Yeah, nice. Works. Let's see how far we can get this going. Let's turn it up all the way. Half turn. Ooh, that's a big flame. Very nice. So, the pros, it looks clean, modern design, it's compact. It's not quite lightweight, but it can fit in your pocket. It's got 3 torches. It's affordable and easy to use. Has a very small fuel gauge here. What do you think? Is this the kind of lighter you want? It's very affordable, available on Amazon. And there you have it. This has been the Pipita lighter review.